Last class we were discussing about the universal gates. NAND gates and NOR gates are called universal gates. Then why NAND gates and NOR gates are called universal gates? That is, we can design other gates using this NAND gate and NOR gate. That's why it is called universal gates. Yeah, we have seen these diagrams. That is the how to design NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate using NAND gate and NAND gate. That is, this is the diagram to design NOT gate using NAND gate. Then the second diagram, NAND to AND logic. How to design AND gate using NAND gate. How many NAND gates are required? 2 NAND gates are required to design AND gate. Then NAND to OR gate. For designing OR gate, how many NAND gates are required? 3 NAND gates are required. 3 NAND gates are required to design OR gate. See here, today we are designing this NOR to NOT logic, or how to design this NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate using this NOR gate. Then this is the diagrams. You can compare the diagrams. What is the similarity for these diagrams? This is the first diagram. NAND to NOT logic. How to design NOT gate using NAND gate. How many NAND gate is required? One and only one NAND gate. What is the output? X bar. Then same diagram for NOR gate also. Design NOT gate using NOR gate means instead of this NAND gate, we need to draw NOR gate. Okay. Instead of NAND gate, we need to draw NOR gate. Output is X bar. Input X. One and only one input, that is X. Same diagram. Then the second diagram. Check the second diagram. NAND to AND logic. NAND to AND logic and NOR to OR logic are same. Here NOR OR. NOR to OR, NAND to AND logic diagram are same. NAND to AND logic diagram, 2 NAND gates are required. How many NAND gates? 2 NAND gates are required. This is same diagram for NOR to OR logic. Here 2 NAND gate. Instead of this NAND gate, we can draw 2 NOR gate. Okay. Here we are designing NAND to AND. Here it is NOR to OR. Then the third diagram, NAND to OR and NOR to AND diagram are same. For designing OR gate, NAND to OR gate, 3 NAND gates is required. 3, see here, for designing OR gate using the NAND gate, 3 NAND gates are required. That is NAND to OR and NOR to AND diagram are same. Here 3 NAND gates, here 3 NOR gates. That is, if you are learning the first diagram, then you can draw the NOR diagram also. Only the difference, instead of NAND gate, here we are using NOR gate. Then check which diagram are similar. NAND to AND, NOR to OR diagram same. NAND to OR, NOR to AND diagram same. Now we can consider NOR to NOT logic. These 3 we have already proved. Now we can prove NOR to NOT logic. NOR to NOT logic, or realize NOT gate using NOR gate. Then what is the NOT gate? NOT gate means if X is the input, what will be the output? X bar will be the output. Then in what is NOR gate? First we can consider OR gate. What is OR gate output? If A and B are the input, what will be the output of OR gate? OR means plus. If A and B are the input, output of OR gate will be A plus B. So, what will be the output of NOR gate if A and B are the inputs? OR gate means A plus B. NOR gate means A plus B the whole bar. Okay. A plus B the whole bar will be the output of NOR gate if A and B are the input. Then next theorem, De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorem? X plus y the whole bar is equal to x bar y bar. Xy the whole bar is equal to, here dot means right side it will be plus x bar plus y bar. This is De Morgan's theorem. Then which one is Idempoten's law? A plus A is equal to A, that is, or A dot A is equal to A. Which theorem? Idempoten's law. Then one more theorem. X, what is the value of x double bar? X double bar is equal to X. Which theorem? Involution law. Involution law means x double bar is equal to X. Idempoten's law means if you are using the same variable, then the output will be the same. That is A plus A. X plus X is equal to X. A plus A is equal to A. Same like that. A dot A is equal to A or X dot X is equal to X. Okay. Output of OR gate is A plus B. Output of NOR gate is A plus B the whole bar. These are the, we just remind this one. Next we can design this logic. What is the output? Final output. What's the final output? NOR to NOT. This one is which gate? NOR gate. What is the input? What are all the input? Here also X, here also X. So X NOR X. X NOR X is the output, final output. Then what is X NOR X? X, if it is OR gate, X plus X. If it is NOR gate, X plus X the whole bar. Then that is equal to, what is the value of X plus X the whole bar? By De Morgan's theorem, X plus X the whole bar is equal to X bar dot X bar. If it is plus, here it will be dot. X plus X the whole bar is equal to X bar dot X bar. Then that is equal to X bar dot X bar is equal to X bar. This one reason De Morgan's theorem. Then this one reason X bar dot X bar is equal to X bar. Which is the theorem? Idempoten's law. Using Idempoten's law, X bar dot X bar is equal to X. Okay, that is, we got the output of X bar is the output of NOT gate. That is, we have designed NOT gate using NOR gate. Designed NOT gate using NOR gate.